Hello guys, welcome to the new subscribers and new visitors of our Rangerpedia school channel. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's move on to how to install Call Linux OS in bootable device with Windows 10. Let's see. I can give the link of Call Linux OS ISO file and Win32 disk imager link in the description, so you don't worry about it. First open a Win32 disk imager and the image file will be like Call Linux ISO file, so you want to search it. Yeah, this is my bootable pendrive. First I can browse it, my file of ISO. I can have it in desktop, so I can click ISO. Yeah, it will be there, and I can write it. It will be reached in some 15 minutes. Yeah, it will be write successful. Okay, then I can refresh it and shut down my computer. After finishing shutdown, then I can insert my pen drive. I can click on F2 or F10 or some laptop having a F10 to bootable boot setup. Some Lenovo laptop are having a side pin button, so on to safety pin will be used to open that boot menu. So you want to search it in YouTube to click on that. Yeah, I can open it. I can use SanDisk Cruiser Blade. I can click it. Thereafter, it will be open. Yeah, I can choose graphical install. Then it will be loaded. Then I can choose a English language. Choose India. Then American English. Keyboard is American English. Then it will be mounted. Sometimes mounted will be cannot be loaded because you cannot choose WinTech disk imager and to load the image file not successful. Be careful to bootable times. It will detect hardware. It will be loaded. I cannot choose Ethernet. Under configuring your network connection, this may take some time. It will be finished. Then configure the network at this time. DHCP is not will be, so it will give a name, then account name, and give a password. Please give the strong password and retype it. Then click OK. Then this is very important. You want to make a partition. Be careful with this. I can choose home partition. Then I can select it. I can finish it made. Then finish it. Yes. It's loaded fastly. Unpacking of every model packages of Kali Linux OS. So you must still wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it will be finished. Then without a network mirror to continue. So I want to do yes. Yeah, finishing. So it will be install software to our computer. This is main thing. You want to check it and then to call the system manager without selecting and to continue. Yeah, the total files will be retrieving. It will be finished. Just few seconds. It will be finishing this installation in few seconds, so you must wait for that. Yeah, installation is complete, so you want to continue it, then it will be finished. Thereafter you want to remove your SanDisk pendrive or any pendrive, then automatically it will be on. Yeah, it will be worked well. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos.